For over 20 years, Bud's Tire Pros has sold the finest ultra-high-performance tires. We have all the major tire brands that the serious enthusiast needs to go fast. Drifting at Adams Motorsports Track in Riverside is gaining popularity. Whether driving or watching, check out this exclusive offer. Receive a $70 Tire Pros Visa prepaid card when you buy any set of 4 Michelin brand passenger or light truck tires before October 7th. Check out the great deals on the entire line of Michelin tires at Bud's Tire Pros.